thunderstorms will be near Louisville around 12:40 a.m. Placerville around 12:50 a.m. Millville, Plainfield, and Shermansdale around 1 a.m. Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Carlisle Springs, Slusser, New Kingstown, Wurtsville, Mount Holly Springs, Boiling Springs, Walnut Bottom, and Hoagstown around 1:10 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Landisburg and Penn State Dickinson School of Law. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 207 to 233. Interstate 81 for mile markers 31 to 61. This includes Route 11 from east of Shippensburg to west of Camp Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties: Cumberland and Perry. The National Weather Service can state Central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cumberland County, south central Pennsylvania, until 2 a.m. At 1:11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carlisle.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Cumberland County and York County, effective until 2:12 a.m.
Boiling Springs, Middlesburg, Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, New Kingstown, Sickensburg, Hoagstown, Wurtsville, Carlisle Springs, Goldsboro, Franklintown, and Lewisberry. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 219 to 245. Interstate 81 for mile markers 42 to 59. Interstate 83 for mile markers 29 to 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following counties: Cumberland and York.